keep away from children. And here is this pull tab. So I guess you could open it like this. The whole case could be opened that way. And if I remove this plastic thing, and now this is powered on. If you press the button, it beeps. Don't know if there is any light on it. So one beep. You could put this directly on keys. This looks like you could put it directly on keys. I have this carabiner here and I will easily add it. I'll do them one by one. This one is connected. This one is on. So I'll try to connect it to my iPhone and see if it works. Later I will try to pair them to my iPhone and see how they work. They're not very thick, so they could easily go in my wallet. Even in the bag here, I have a pocket. I have this pocket in the bag. It could easily go there. Yeah, so okay, this one I will unbox it later. I'm not sure if I will need it. Maybe I will return this one, but I think I'll keep both of them. So I have 3 of these. These are nice to put in a backpack, on keys, in the car, or on any place really. Luggage. It's nice for luggage, but because of the range, there will be a new version of the AirTag model that will have a range of about 100 meters from what I understood. So that's going to be much more than the 10 meters. And this also uses the ultra wideband, Bluetooth LE ultra wideband. I'm not sure if they are different, how they are different, but the battery life in the AirTag will be more, but they are also much more expensive. This AirTag is 29 euro. I paid 29 euro for this AirTag, and this Silvercrest AirTag replacement costed 4 euro. So it's a big difference. And the thing is that actually this one is thinner. This Silvercrest AirTag replacement is actually much thinner than the AirTag. This could fit in a wallet pretty easily actually, instead of the AirTag, which is kind of bulky. I'm gonna see how the new AirTags look like when they are released finally, but this looks pretty good. So there is no button on the AirTag. There is no this. I removed the speaker on it. You see the glue there. I opened it. Now we'll see. I wanna see how easy it is to change the battery on this thing. So if I would need to change the battery on it, how would I do it? There is this pull tab here. I also want to see how easy it is to open it. It's not so easy. Okay, so the AirTag you can remove the battery in the AirTag just by doing this. It's very simple. So the AirTag is much better with the flexibility, but this one, because it's so much cheaper, you need at least a tool for it. So I'll try to open it. Okay. It should open because the battery is replaceable, so you have to be able to open it. Okay. So there is the speaker and the battery. This is this piezo speaker, I believe, and the battery and the electronics. This is much less complicated than the AirTag. And most of the thickness of this tracker is because of the battery. The battery needs to be thicker there. So you have, these are the contacts, some electronics. The build quality is nowhere near the AirTag. I have a video with what's inside the AirTag. The AirTag is much better built, but this is also interesting. You see the information here, this chip, I don't know this chip, I can't really read there. So maybe it's something custom made. But if you want the information about this, it's here. I mean, you are supposed to do this because the battery is replaceable and it's like that. You can see some codes there. Okay, so that's I guess this is how you also change the battery on it. And the battery locks in here, like the battery locks in here, and I have to put also this thing, and you align, when you change the battery, you align this hole there with the actual both sides. Okay, so it's clicking well in place. With children around, the AirTag is much safer, I believe, because it's much harder to open. So it's much safer. The battery cannot get out easily. But this thing, if you drop it, it might open and the battery could fall out, and I don't know, it's not so great. But to have hidden in a bag somewhere is a pretty good option. I will, in a future video, I will connect it to the iPhone and see how it works. It's the first time I see trackers like this that work with the FindMy network from Apple. Before there were some that work with Android or they need a special app, but these ones, they work with the Apple network, and it's a big deal because it's a big network with the Apple devices. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get an idea of how this thing looks like, and I will pair them to the iPhone. I did it in the shop and it's really pretty simple. Thanks for watching.